Hello, my name is Juan Pozo. My research focused on developing an attitudinal model of collaborative consumption, moderating effects of consumer traits and situational factors, Part 2, alongside Dr. Lisa Dana Adamitis. Introduction. Collaborative consumption, also known as sharing economy or collaborative economy, is based on the idea that what's mine is yours, which consists of different kinds of people trading with each other, goods or services. For example, used clothing. A lot of people love to resell their old clothes or pass them down to other family members who might need them. There's apps that provide these kinds of services where people are able to rent or buy reused clothing, accessories, shoes, and more for a profit. Some of these apps are Poshmark, Walk-in Closet, RealReal, Thriftflip, and more. The purpose of this research is to examine the concept of collaborative consumption as a critical concept to update theory related to fashion consumption and also determine the interest in retail or sharing apps, which became more relevant to fashion consumers and marketers. To answer the question of which personality traits determine the consumer interest in these apps, some of these questions were whether to use collaborative consumption apps, how to design them to appeal to different consumers, to which type of consumer to promote these services, and how to do so. Literature review. A well-known study that looked at collaborative consumption in 2015 included some interviews with millennials to focus on clothes swapping and clothing libraries. They found that political and societal positions were two of the main reasons for engaging in collaborative consumption of clothing. And to investigate this, the affirmation objective self-determination theory were used. The authors introduced a Likert scale that measures external factors such as enjoyment, sustainability, extrinsic motivators, economic rewards, and reputation for collaborative consumption. Methods and data analysis. Messages on websites were evaluated using a Likert scale ranging from 1 to 5, reflecting not present to highly present. The factors we evaluated were attitude, sustainability, economics, fun engaging, social, and status. The results of this analysis were compared to the motivations presented in advertisements. As you can see, we have a chart on the right side of our screen representing or showing different percentages. For the sake of credibility, two instructors examined identical data and came out with the same outcome. This is one of our figures. It was developed for collaborative consumption to illustrate the moderating effects of consumer traits and situational factors on the relationship of motivation of usage, attitude, behavior, and potential relationships that could be measured using the survey to access collaborative consumption of fashion goods. To sum up, more than half of brands do not promote sustainability as a factor in customer choice. Status has a major role in encouraging participation. Examples of status include respect from peers for supporting sustainability. Collaborative consumption is used to encourage action in areas other than sustainability, such as jobs, preventing poverty, and supporting the LGBTQ community. Majority of brands target young and fashionable consumers, staying away from ages ranging 45 and older. And lastly, here are our references. Thank you.